Hello everyone, welcome to another day of Building Public with regard to Nextdoor automation. Today I'd like to address one interesting topic where you could benefit of the sell, for sale and free section on Nextdoor. Not a lot of people are doing that. Not everyone should do it, but if you are interested to make a few bucks on Nextdoor, that's an easy beer money to set up. So the idea is to monitor on an auto mode. If you're not skilled in automation, you can still do it by hand, there's no problem. But the purpose of this is to monitor the offers that are posted on this for sale and free section of Nextdoor. And when you find free items, of course, it's an obvious way of making money, because you just have to collect the items from the people who are setting them for free and store them until you find a customer to buy them. And of course the difference is your benefit. You may have to get a little bit of storage space for that, of course, but you can also right away repost them on other social media like Facebook, the free and sell section of Facebook, the marketplace as it's called, or in Craigslist if you're in North America. And yeah, that's the principle of arbitrage, which is to buy and resell and make benefit out of it. So I'm logged on one of my customers' accounts. I got few notifications of people reporting others' posts. That was quite funny. I'll make another video soon, I guess, on the benefit of having a group, because you get to see who's reporting who, and you've got a better feeling of who are always reporting other people's posts. Anyway, let's come back to our example for today. So I'll leave in the description two links where you can access the map, where you can see the free items, and here you have the free, you can select the free items and the ones that are on discount and the ones that are for sale at a regular price. But remember, whoever is posting something here for sale they are displaying the price that they would like to get, but there is always room for negotiation. So it's up to you to negotiate a good deal, because most of the time these items are negotiable. And the other other URL I'll be sharing with you is all the listings here. And of course, as I said in the previous video, if you are a business and want to occupy a larger space in Nextdoor property space, I encourage you as a business owner to post regularly some items for free or for sale, maybe of a used item. And as I discussed last time, here for example you have an event business who is developing this strategy, which is good. They do not do it according to Nextdoor rules. They are kind of cheating the system, because here they say it's for free, but when you go into the details, it's of course not for free. They are selling stuff. But anyway, you see the same company has many different listings, and when you arrive here, they are occupying a large amount of property on Nextdoor. And here again it's the same company with different picture, but they are quite heavily present on this section. So you can here activate the filter for free or not, or discounted also. So the first one was the map, this one is the listing. And I just want to highlight today an example of what I found for free here. And this is a table massage. So a person who wants to get rid of it says it's a pretty good condition. It's seems it's like brand new, never served, never used, and yeah, it's lacking of space. It has to go. So make sure this one said it's for free, but you have other items that are also listed here. So it's up to you to grab the best opportunity. And of course, you can share this. And let's say it's even 50 bucks. You get, let's assume it's sold, it's for sale at 50 bucks. Maybe you can get a discounted price, maybe 2/3 or half. And if you compare to the similar tables, or maybe this one is a little bit more advanced, but still, if you see the prices, you could get a good margin if you get it for free or to a reduced price and resell it to a higher price. So if you like these ideas that I review on a regular basis, you can reward me with a thumbs up or thumbs down if you do not like this video. If you have any question, my company is serving businesses in order to automate their presence on Nextdoor, and we have some strategies for you to be seen and get more leads on auto mode. So we create we create automation to post regularly on Nextdoor so that you are seen by a maximum number of people, and whenever they need some specific services, your services being, for example, cement, in the cement industry, if you are reviewing garage, pathways, and things like this, maybe they don't need your services right now when they get to see you, but once you are remembered as a good, friendly business owner in the neighborhood, when they'll need some cement works in their yard, they'll definitely think about you and contact you at a later stage. So it can be right away an opportunity to get leads, but it's on the long run, medium term exercise, so that you get leads when people have the need to use your service. So do not hesitate to contact me. All detailed contacts are below with the website, nextdoor-agency.com. Get in touch with me and my team, and I'll be happy to organize a small phone conference or video conference, and we can have our services to help you get more leads on a regular basis for your business. Wishing you a pleasant day, and I'll leave all the links in the description, and do not hesitate to contact me. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.